Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your PlayStation account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in playstation.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official PlayStation website. Just choose your country or region from the homepage. And now click on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't logged into your account already. Once you are inside the login portal, just use your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, click on support at the top section and then click on support once again. Then click on account and security and then click on account management. From here, you will see the create, change and close account option. Click on the how to close your account for PlayStation Network option and you will see the close an account button. Just click on it and now you will see the contact us button. Go ahead and click on this. And now you can click on contact PlayStation support. And now click on the online assistant option to chat with the online assistant. Now once you can access the online assistant option, simply enter your first and your last name and then click on start chatting. You will then be linked to a bot with which you can chat. Just let this bot know that you wish to delete your account and it will provide you with the steps that you can take in order to delete and terminate your account on PlayStation. Just follow these instructions and your account will be deleted right away. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your account on PlayStation.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.